The reason why I chose GLOJAS is due to the qualifications. It's truly a world-class operation.
Hi everyone, today we have a patient at GLOJAS from Auckland, New Zealand, who would like to share his journeys and experience of doing SMART FUE technique.
Hi everyone, my name's Steve. As the doctor said, I'm from New Zealand. This is my second time at GLOJAS. I came for my first transplant 4 years ago when I'd pretty much lost the whole of the top of the hair on the top of my head. The reason why I chose GLOJAS is due to the qualifications. It's truly a world-class operation. The doctor here is on the American Board of hair transplant restoration surgeons, and also a fellow of the ISHRS, which is another leading American society for hair restoration surgeons. So I knew I was getting real world-class treatment. I didn't realise how good the treatment was and how pretty much painless it was. I had the transplant. I was done with the treatment over a series of days, and the results have been phenomenal. I mean, I guess the true litmus test is when you go and visit a barber, and I've been to many hairstylists and barbers around the world over the last 4 years. All of them have not been able to tell that I've had a transplant, and every one of them, when I've spoken to them, have all said it's the best I've ever seen. So much so where they've asked for the contact details of Dr. and GLOJAS. So yeah, I'm back here. I'm happy to say is, first time round was to give me all the hair that I lost. This time round is to give me the hairline that I've always wanted. So I'm 8 days in. All the scabs on the front have come off now. And the donor area at the back is in such good shape that I had a haircut yesterday. So it's wonderful actually. I cannot recommend GLOJAS enough, especially given the technology here. Compared to what I was offered in Australia and New Zealand. The UK has good technology but hugely expensive, and I just wouldn't take the risk of going to Turkey or any other country. Malaysia, world class, top qualifications, and yeah, a brilliant experience. I'd just like to say a big thank you to Professor Dato Dr. JasG. Thank you.
Thank you.
Brilliant.